Welcome back to episode 2 of Completing the Square, where we're going to look at the proof of the axis of symmetry. What we've got here in front of us is the most general quadratic that we could write. Pardon me. Sorry for doing that all the time. The x squared term has just got any number a, any number b, and any number c. So this could represent any quadratic that you could think of. Let's go ahead and follow our routine on this most general quadratic. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that factor out. So let's have a look. So a would be out the front, and we would have x squared plus this term would be divided by a, and this term would be divided by a. If a was 1, we wouldn't have to do that, but if a is any other number, that's what we would have. And in completing the square, we've got to take this middle term and halve it and square it. And what's half of b divided by a? It's b divided by 2a's. Make that denominator bigger, the number gets smaller. So we've got a out the front of x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a's all squared minus b over 2a's all squared. Halve it and square it, that bit's done. And we've still got the plus c over a, all of that. So what we've done is we've made a perfect square here. We've got a there, which is we've now got x plus b on 2a squared. And this bit here, what does this make? This is minus b squared over 4a squareds. And if we need common denominator, we want these to be 4a squareds, we're going to have to times everything by 4a, so it's plus 4ac over 4a squared. And this is actually the development of the general quadratic formula, plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, there it is over a, all divided by 2a. We're not going all the way today, but if we were to just tidy that up, what we've got is a perfect square plus b over 2a's squared. We've still got this a out the front. And let's say plus negative b squared plus 4ac all over 4a squared. So what's the axis of symmetry? Well, from your work looking at graphing graphs in turning point form, right there we can see that there would be a horizontal translation of negative b over 2a. So no matter what numbers you have up here, your turning point will be moved negative b over 2a. That's your axis of symmetry. Do you have to be able to repeat this work? Do you necessarily have to be able to follow it? No, but it's nice to know where this stuff comes from. That's it.